Go.
Hi everybody, happy 4th of July. Today we're going to be making firework craft. Oh, and this is my brother Wade. He's going to help me in the video, and after I'm done showing him, I'm going to let him do it. First you get the glue, and then you put the cap, but you don't just do this part, you just open it with this part. Then you make the fireworks on how you want to do it. I want to do mine like a sun, except it doesn't have a circle. Now, don't forget to close the cap. Now we got the salt ready, and now we're going to just pick it up and sprinkle it on the lines. Don't get all messy. Oh, and cover all the glue with the salt. Okay. Now you just shake off the excess salt, and then you pick up one of the straws and get the color you want. I forgot to tell you that you have to hold the other straws in, just like this. Then you just stick it in the color you want, and then it's in the straw. Then you can rather drink it. But we're not drinking it. We're just using it for our firework display. Or not display. Now you just don't dab it, you just let it travel through. And it'll just travel through the salt. Mr. Joe. Now that it's all colored, we're going to let the food coloring dry. Then it'll be a pretty good fireworks. So now it's time to say bye. So I'm going to say bye now. Bye. I hope you enjoyed this video.